Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's November 13th, 2025, out here in the shop, having a look around outside. Man, the snow is really melting really well. It's cold. I didn't check and see what the temperature was before I came out here, but it's above freezing. And all through the night last night we had, and today so far, we have like this intermittent rain, and that's really helping with the melting of the snow. So real happy that everything's melting. There's still snow on the roof at this point. You can see it's working its way off bit by bit, but a lot of it's just melting up there instead of sliding off. Once the metal roof is on, it'll slide off a lot better. So, and my back is still really sore. I don't know, is there drops on there? And I don't have bad back pain now. It's just aching. Nothing like the sciatica, but it's just that it just gets frustrating dealing with it. So anyways, I'm trying to be real careful not to pick up anything where I have to bend over and pick something up. So that's where it really gets exacerbated, and I suffer for a day or so afterwards. So yesterday, one of the things I did do was, I just walked around. I don't see any evidence of leaks. So that's really good. I'm tickled pink about that, because I think if we had leaks, we'd be seeing them now. So anyways, so yesterday I had, these were the 2x4s that I had bleached, and I had them over there stacked against the ladders before. Brought them over here yesterday, turned the fan back on them. Are they completely dry? No. But they're dry enough that I think I'm going to go ahead and restack those and clear this spot out for the ones that I bleached yesterday. Now this wasn't as successful because it wasn't a good misting of them, but we'll see just how good these are. But I want to get these boards over there, get the fan on them, leave the spacing like I've had with these ones, so that I can get them, so we can try and get them dried out enough that we can work with them and all. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and restack these ones over there where they came from originally. And basically get those over here, move those ones over to here, get the fan on them, and that's my plan to start out with today. So, as always, we never know what we're going to end up filming, but, I'm just so happy it's not leaking in here. And, I'm going to get started. Enough jibber jabber.
You don't need to say a word, I see it plain and true. The ones who care don't vanish, they always follow through. It's not in fancy talk or promises they make. It's in the way they show up, even when they break. If someone cares, they'll make the time, not just toss out reasons or well-worn lines. It's not about what they can't do, but what they choose. You know they care when they make effort, not excuse. A friend will hear your silence, not just the sound. Will lift you when you're sinking, hold firm ground. It ain't about being perfect or always having the way. It's showing up heart first every single day. If someone cares, they'll make the time, not just toss out reasons or well-worn lines. It's not about what they can't do, but what they choose. You know they care when they make effort, not excuse. Actions wait, the real ones find a way, not walk away. They'll check in when you're low, stand by when it's rough, and that kind of love, that's more than enough. If someone cares, they'll make the time. Their effort will speak louder than any rhyme. No maybes, no somedays, just honest truth. You'll know who matters by their effort, not excuses. So hold tight to the hearts that show up rain or shine, the ones who make the climb when it ain't a straight line. That's love in motion, real and loose. You'll know who cares by their effort, not excuse. Life's a winding road, we're all travelers here, chasing dreams through laughter, through triumph and tears. Some days the sun shines, some days it pours, but every step we take opens brand new doors. We get lost in the rush, eyes fixed on the end, forgetting the beauty where hearts learn to mend. It's not just the goal, but the paths that we roam. The journey's what shapes us, it's what brings us home.
Oh, life's a journey, let's climb those hills. Through storms and struggles we find our thrills. Nothing sweeter than watching hearts arise, seeing people succeed with stars in their eyes. So take it slow, let the moment unfold. The joy's in the journey, not just the goal.
Sometimes we're confused, caught up in the race, thinking life's a sprint to some far-off place. But the magic's in the climb and the lessons we learn, in the fires we face and the tides that we turn. The destination's tempting, it pulls at our soul, but the stories we live make us stronger, make us whole. Every scar's a reminder, every storm's a guide. The journey's where we grow, where our hearts collide. Oh, life's a journey, let's climb those hills. Through storms and struggles we find our thrills. Nothing sweeter than watching hearts arise, seeing people succeed with stars in their eyes. So take it slow, let the moment unfold. The joy's in the journey, not just the goal.
When you see someone shining, their dreams taking flight, it's a spark in the dark, it's a beacon of light. Every smile, every victory, big or small, lifts us up, reminds us we're connected through it all. Oh, life's a journey, let's climb those hills. Through storms and struggles we find our thrills. Nothing sweeter than watching hearts arise, seeing people succeed with stars in their eyes.
So take it slow, let the moment unfold. The joy's in the journey, not just the goal. So here's to the travelers, the dreamers, the brave, to the hills that we conquer, the storms that we brave. Life's a journey, not a race to the end. With love and success, we'll keep rising, my friend. I'm not here to say I've got it all right. I'm just sharing my days, my wrongs, my rights. Out here on the land where the sky's so free. You do you, and I'll do me. I'm no expert, just finding my way, learning something new every single day. What works for me might not work for thee, so you do you. and I'll do me.
We're all different, can't you see? Your path's yours and mine's for me. I'm just showing what I found to be.
You do you, and I'll do me. I'll share my stories, my ups and downs, the hard-earned lessons, the joys I've found. But take what fits, leave the rest be. 'Cause you do you, and I'll do me. This life's a journey, no one's the same. No need for judgment, no need for blame. We're all just trying, imperfect and free. So you do you, and I'll do me.
We're all different, can't you see? Your path's yours and mine's for me. I'm just showing what I found to be. You do you, and I'll do me. Maybe you've got a better way, and that's okay, yeah, that's okay. I'm just here to lend my voice, but in the end, it's your own choice. We're all different, can't you see? Your path's yours and mine's for me. I'm just showing what I found to be. You do you, and I'll do me. So here's to the journey for you and for me, finding our way as it's meant to be. No need to follow, no need to agree. Just you do you, and I'll do me.
Well, things went fairly well today, all things considered. Snow has continued to melt. We've had some hail, some bursts of hail come through here, some rain. It's cold, it's windy. It's not pleasant out there. I was able to take all of the 2x4s that were over there, got them stacked over here now, so they're cleaned up and close to ready to go. And all of the 2x6s that I had done yesterday, they were up against a 16-footer 2x6 there. I got over here and I've been having the fan on it now, just trying to dry all of these boards up as much as possible. Probably be another full day of doing that. And then I went ahead and got the 1x4s up and around this 12-foot door. Got that set. And around the 9-foot door over here as well. Not doing the bases on any of these 12x9s yet. I'll do that later. But that's up around there. I was happy with that. I did call Home Depot, spoke with Jimmy. He hasn't heard back from him yet. He's off tomorrow. So hopefully Clopay will let us know that they're going to be able to ship us the panels that we need. Otherwise, we'll have to see what hoops we have to go through and all. And I think that's about it. I started cutting up some of the metal that I need for hanging the supports for the rails here, for the horizontal rails that hold the door when it's up there. I'm going to end up modifying that and putting it the other way. I wanted to see, I mean, it ends up being perfect where it is right now, if everything is nice and square. But typically you put them the other way, perpendicular to that, so you got a nice little triangle there. The way it is now, you'd have to slide it both ways. I don't know, I'm going to think about it. So I put the one up there and am going to think about it more. I measured my radius here for the door, for each of the doors. They're a 12-inch radius so that I know how to mount my brackets up there to support the the torsion bar. So maybe tomorrow I'll do that. I had to do work out back there, digging through Pepe, getting everything dug out of that. I had worked on that some, and one of the things I wanted to do is get it over to the new property, get it into the barn over there to store it over the winter months so it isn't out getting any more damage and all. So that's one thing I've been working on. Thea came over and cleaned out some of the, all the things that were on this gurney here. So I use this gurney as a workbench, and I'll use this for the overhead door panels. It's, you know, we've got an 8-foot wide as opposed to a pallet and all. So that'll be better for support for the doors. And I think that's about it. So not too much else going on here today. You know, these fall days, without the building being closed in, without lights on in here, it's kind of a pain in the butt, especially when the winds are blowing and the rain, the sleet, or snow are coming in a little bit. Really glad that the north doors there on each side are set. So I've got to get those finished, get the rest of them installed tomorrow, hopefully. Let's see if I can do that. So anyways, I guess that's it for today's video, folks. I appreciate it very much. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe, take care, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye now.